We didn't just pick the 7 best vlogging cameras on Amazon right now. We picked them across a price range from an $80 to $600 so that you get to know exactly who should buy which one. No beautiful images, no beautiful video clips, just the essential information you need to make a decision. Let's start with the Tier 1 vlogging cameras, priced over $550, the premium heavyweights. Most reviews will tell you they're all great at this price. I'm going to tell you something different. I'm going to tell you which one is actually right for you, because buying the wrong camera at $600 is a genuinely painful mistake. Our first vlogging camera is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Here's what nobody says out loud about this camera. It makes everyone look like a professional. The 1-inch sensor combined with a mechanical 3-axis gimbal is the secret sauce. You can walk, talk, dodge people on the street, and your footage still looks incredibly smooth and cinematic. The low light performance alone would embarrass cameras that cost twice the price. Walk and talk content, travel vlogs, city tours, street interviews, this is the camera to beat. Now, here's what they don't mention in the marketing. You may look slightly unhinged holding what appears to be a tiny robot wand in public, and the built-in screen is tiny, the kind of tiny that has you squinting in bright sunlight. But considering the footage you get, these are very small trade-offs. Next up is the Sony ZV-1F. Lean in for this one because it matters. The Sony ZV-1F is incredible, but only if you buy it for the right reasons. The 20mm lens is practically engineered for arm's-length vlogging, and the autofocus tracks faces with incredible precision. Sit-down videos, talking head content, and product showcases look fantastic. But here's the big warning that should be written in bold on the Amazon page. There is no optical image stabilization. The camera relies on digital stabilization, which crops into the frame whenever you move. If your vlogs involve walking, moving around, or filming on the go, do not buy this camera. You'll lose image area every time stabilization kicks in. The ZV-1F is brilliant, but only in the right situation. Now we have the popular Canon EOS R50. This camera is for people who say, I want a real camera. The Canon EOS R50 is more than just a vlogging camera. It's a full creative tool. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus is legendary. It locks onto your face and tracks it flawlessly, whether you're shooting photos, videos, or live streams. If you're building a serious content brand and want a camera that will still look fantastic years from now, the R50 is a strong long-term choice. But here's the honest warning. It's the bulkiest camera on this list, and it's not exactly a grab-and-go setup. And once you see what it can do, you'll probably want better lenses, and lenses cost money. The R50 can easily become the beginning of a much bigger investment. Next are the Tier 2 vlogging cameras, the Value Kings. And here's something the premium camera companies probably won't love hearing. We start with the DJI Osmo Action 4 Essential Combo. This is the best value camera on the entire list, and it's not particularly close. For $229, you get a camera that is waterproof, extremely durable, and equipped with a large 1.1.3-inch sensor, which is impressive for an action camera. The low-light performance is far better than many earlier action cameras. Dollar for dollar, it's one of the strongest options available. Adventure vlogging, travel, outdoor content, sports filming, this camera excels in those situations. Now for the honest detail. The white lens produces the classic fisheye distortion. Some people love that action camera look, while others prefer a flatter image. Also, the built-in microphone is acceptable for casual use, but creators who care about audio quality will want an external microphone. Still, $229 and a 4.6-star rating across thousands of buyers makes this camera an outstanding deal. Next, we have the Tier 3 cameras, the pocket-size contenders. These two cameras don't fit neatly into a category, which is exactly why they're interesting. The first one is the Canon PowerShot V10. Realistically, this camera shouldn't work as well as it does. It fits in a shirt pocket, has a built-in kickstand, and lets you simply set it on a table and start recording. No tripod, no setup, no fuss. The built-in stereo microphones are surprisingly good for such a compact device. For casual creators who want to capture moments quickly without turning everything into a production, the PowerShot V10 is an underrated option. The drawbacks are clear though. The battery life is short, and the camera uses a fixed lens, meaning you can't upgrade or change lenses later. It's a simple device built for one purpose. But if that purpose matches your needs, it can be extremely convenient. Next up is the DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo. Think of this camera as the Pocket 3's smaller sibling trying to prove itself. You still get DJI smooth stabilization, 4K recording at 60 FPS, and very portable design. And importantly, it costs significantly less than the Pocket 3. What do you give up? The mechanical gimbal is gone, and the sensor is smaller, which means performance in darker environments will be weaker. But for creators who want portability, stabilization, and strong value, the Nano sits in a very appealing middle ground. Finally, we hit Tier 4, the budget cameras. In this price range, marketing claims can be a little misleading. The first budget vlogging camera is the Boblov 5K body camera W5. Let's be honest, this camera costs $80. If your budget is extremely tight and this is the only option available, then fine. Starting is better than waiting forever for perfect gear. But some of the marketing specs need context. The listing highlights 5K at 15 frames per second. In practice, 15 frames per second looks choppy, almost like a slideshow. You're much better off recording at 4K and higher frame rates. Stabilization and low light performance are limited, roughly similar to older smartphones. Just keep expectations realistic. Here's the bottom line as simply as possible. If money is no object and you want effortless footage, choose the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you want one camera for both photos and video, go with the Canon EOS R50. If you want the best value for money, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is the clear winner. That's the list. No fluff, no agenda, just what I would tell a friend before they spent their money. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more videos like this.